They're interviewing some guy on Thursday. His name is...
Oh my God, what's going on? Hi, how are you? I'm getting a car wash. New windshield? Why not get a car wash? It's been dirty for like a week now. Listening to Mike Falzone's podcast? What an amazing human being. How are you, YouTube? Tell me. How are you doing? Hey, did you go see that video I made? Go check it out. It's stupid. But I just want to put something on my channel. Why not? Just put something out there. Just do something. That's what I'm going to do. Watch. Is this thing going to fall in? This is pretty creepy. Okay, well I better go now. Fun time's over. Should've took a nap. Dang it! Ah! Ah! Oh, it's so pretty.
Where can we get into... Where can people find you on the internet?
You can find me at www.youtube.com/MillianMorgan, which is the home of Happy Hour and various blogs and videos next week. And I will be
Loud! Hello again, Lowe's. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? There are some things I need to get. I bought the wrong thing for a fitting for our sink, and I have to go get a new one. I'm so manly. But first I have to be one of those guys. Gotta use my inhaler. My asthma's been bugging me today. I don't know why. Okay, I don't vlog and drive anymore, right? But you gotta see this. Look how cool it is. Look at those lights over there. It's so pretty. And then look as I drive down this road. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, now I gotta go. This is how we play. That's it. Good night. Good night. Bye. Love you. Here, turn it off.